Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect for keeping your face hydrated right before bedtime. So I've been using EltaMD, their basically skincare face lotion for the day. Absolutely love it. So I decided to try the PM Restore Moisturizer. This is a little tube it's just gonna come in the little standard box here. The one I have here is a 1.7 ounce, and it's just a little kind of squeeze tube here. You're gonna put on just a little bit, so you're gonna just basically put out a nice little kind of pearl size here, and then you're gonna put it on your face and just rub it in. The first thing I immediately notice is how hydrating it is. It feels absolutely comfortable on my face. Doesn't have any greasy feeling or anything like that. It's very lightweight, goes on nice and clear. So absolutely love it, because when I put it on at bedtime, my face instantly feels hydrated. My complexion feels a lot more even. If you notice, I have a slight redness to it because I have rosacea, and I feel like this has done a great job damping down that redness that I get, which I absolutely love. But for me, most importantly, I hate anything that I put on my face that feels heavy, that you kind of want to claw off or wash your face instantly. Don't have any of that problems with this, and it's super, super lightweight. Doesn't leave me shiny or greasy feeling at all, which is very, very important to me when utilizing it. So if you are in the market and you're looking for something that is lightweight, non-greasy, absolutely hydrating, I think this one is totally worth checking out, and it is worth the premium price point. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.